On the 3, you're gonna rip it open. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, you ain't got no nails. No, rip it open. Come on, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
Yes, so PlayStation 4. Yes, yes. Mama bought it. Say thank you.
Me and Daddy bought it.
This is from your sister right here. Riley bought this for you.
Thank you. Jurassic World.
It's a Lego game.
You like?
Yes.
You happy?
Yes.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. You got a PlayStation, you got a Batman game in there, and you got a Lego game. So you got 2 games you can play.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.